Hello there, we're back in the same battle. Final tackle. Oh no. Yes! Hopefully you guys didn't miss anything. Magikarp. Clutch. Oh. Okay. No. Wrong button. Yes. Tackle. After this battle, I'll go look for like a rock or fire type Pokemon. Our goal is to never make a Pokeball. We're never gonna make a Pokeball in this. We're gonna fight a whole bunch of bosses. Unless you guys tell me to make Pokeballs or something. Okay, get air. What is that? Pokemon, I can't tell. The only things I see is like bug types. And that grass flying, I think. The Tropius. Wait, no, that's like butterfly. What the heck was that? Charbok? I wish in battles, once they're done battling, they have the same health, so like they're in a close battle, then you steal the kill after they win. Is this like it? Okay, I'm gonna make a boat. And like sail the seas for something besides jungle. Yes. If you guys being in peaceful or something, write it in the comments. I'll go on easy or hard or whatever. Just scared on medium. I don't care anything else. Just not medium. No, I'm just playing. Whoa. No. Guess that's how we're gonna set home. They need to stop with all these water messes. Like it's too much. Whoa, what the heck? Where am I? Whoa, the heck? It like sunk me to the bottom. Oh, I see Slowpoke. That must be like an island. Okay. Oh, it's more turtle. I see a man. There has to be an island. What are those? Oh, I know those. Yeah, an island. Oh, I know that Pokemon. It's a Dwebble. No. Let's go over there. There might be some better Pokemon to fight. Yes, it's a huge landmass. Oh, thank goodness. I think that's gonna end off the episode, finding a huge landmass. Yeah. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I want to make like long videos because you might not want that. So I do like less than 10 minutes, I guess. So